Good day everyone and welcome to Abnormal Psychology Review Quiz Part 2. Huwag kalilimutang mag-subscribe for more content like this. So what are we waiting for? Let us start. Number 1. Describing the patient's presenting problem which is represented by the unique combination of behaviors, thoughts, and feelings that make up a specific disorder. And the correct answer is letter A, clinical description. Number 2, you are out on a date. However, you experience severe fear all evening and just want to go home. And the correct answer is letter B, personal distress. Number 3, you are out on a date. However, you experience severe fear all evening and just want to go home, even though there is nothing to be afraid of, and the severe fear happens on every date you have. And the correct answer is psychological dysfunction, letter C. Number 4, the anticipated course of a disorder is called. And the correct answer is letter D, prognosis. Number 5, mood disorders follow an or a blank in that the individual is likely to recover within a few months only to suffer a recurrence of the disorder at a later time. And the correct answer is letter A, episodic course. Number 6, some disorders have an or a blank, meaning that they begin suddenly. Others develop gradually over an extended period, which is sometimes called an or a blank. And the correct answer is letter A, acute onset, insidious onset. Number 7, the study of origins has to do with why a disorder begins or what causes it, and includes biological, psychological, and social dimensions. And the correct answer is letter D, etiology. Number 8, the study of changes in abnormal behavior. And the correct answer is letter C, developmental psychopathology. Number 9, number of people in the population as a whole that have the disorder blank. New cases occur during a given period blank. And the correct answer is letter B, prevalence, incidence. And lastly, number 10, schizophrenia follow an or a blank, meaning that they tend to last a long time, or sometimes a lifetime. And the correct answer is Write your comment in the comment section. At dyan na nagtatapos ang ating Abnormal Psychology Review Quiz Part 2. Huwag kalilimutan mag-subscribe for Part 3. Paalam!